All right, this lesson is part 2 of Flor de Luna by Santana. This has some great jazz chords. We're going to look at all the chords involved right here. I've got a tab with this. The tab has all of the chords involved in this song on the top 2 lines of its page. And we're going to start with the D minor 9. We have open, 5, and 5. Okay, so let's try that. Open, 5, 5. Now the next one is an A7 suspended. We're going to have all the 5s barred. We're going to have a 7th fret and the G string. Okay, and we'll get into the actual strum later on. But these are all just the chords. We got D minor 9. We got A7 suspended. We're going to put the 6 in here in the G string and get a regular A7. Then our next chord is D minor, 7, 7, 6, and 5. And then we have a D minor major 7, which is 7, 6, 6, and 5. So that one's a little trickier. You go from the D minor to the D minor major 7. And then we go to a D minor 7, which has 7, 5, 6, and 5. Then our next chord is going to be a G minor 9. We have the 3s barred, but we have a 5 down here in the bottom. And then we have a G minor 6. It's going to have that 5 on the 2nd string instead. And then we have a normal G minor, 5 with the 3s. And then we're using an F sharp 7. That's 2, 3, 2, 2. We're going into a C7 9, 2, 3, 3, 3. Then we have an A minor 7, 2, 2, 1, 3. We have an F major 7, 3, 2, 1 open. And then we have an E minor 7, flat 5. That's an 8, 7, 8, muting the bottom string. Then we have a different type of A7 we're going to use for the solo section that uses this chord. And that's going to be an A7 like this. Looks like a D shape, 5, 6, and 5. Just those 3 bigger strings on that one. And then at one point towards the end, we're going to do a C chord, just these 5s, 3 5s up there. And then with G minor 7, you might see, that'd be just those 3s in the top 3, muting the bottom one. So once again, D minor 9, why don't we all play that? Open 5, 5. Okay, A7 suspended is 5, 7, 5, 5. And then A7 is 5, 6, 5, 5. And then D minor, 7, 7, 6, 5. D minor major 7 is 7, 6, 6, 5. Then D minor 7 is 7, 5, 6, 5. G minor 9 is 3s with a 5 on the bottom here. G minor 6 has that 5 on the 2nd string. G minor is 5 with the 3s. F sharp 7 is 2, 3, 2, 2. 2, 3, 3, 3 is C7 9. A minor 7 is 2, 2, 1, 3. F major 7 is 3, 2, 1 and open. And then E minor 7 flat 5 is 8, 7, 8. A7 is 5, 6, 5. C is the 5s up top. G minor 7 is the 3s up top. Okay, so the Flor de Luna melody is like, and then we come in with a D minor. 2 bars of that. We got our A7 sus, A7. Then we have 2 beats, D minor major 7. A full measure of D minor 7. Then we have our G minor 9, G minor 6, D minor 7, A7, D minor, and then we stop on a D minor. So let's look at all that again. It was D minor 9, 3, 4. A7 sus, A7, and then just 2 beats each of D minor major 7, and then 4 beats of the D minor 7, G minor 9, G minor 6, D minor 7, A7, D minor. Stop there, and then we're going to have D minor 7 twice, A7 sus, A7, and then what we'll call the walk down, that D minor to D minor major 7. That's a tough one, but it's a lot of fun to try to get that, you know. So you got 2 beats each on these, and then D minor 7 for 4. You got G minor 9, G minor 6, D minor 7, A7, D minor twice. Now we're going to go G minor 7, so that's going to be these 3s. And then the F sharp 7, it's kind of a little moving, 2 beats each on that one. So we got the F sharp 7 to the C7 9 to the A minor 7 for 4, F major 7 for 4. We got the A7 sus, A7, and then we got D minor 7 twice. This is the first time through that. So let's go back to that G minor 7 on the 3s here. This is where there's a star on the tab. 2, 3, and then we got that F sharp 7 to C7 9, A minor 7, F major 7. Then we got the sus to the A7 again. And then we have the D minor 7 twice. Now the second time through this, we do all the same chords. Sus, 7. Now at that point, you'd be back to like the beginning, like a back to your first progression there. But let's skip to later on in the song when it gets into a solo. It's gonna have D minor. So it gets a little more funky up in there. So this is D minor, and then this is the E minor 7 flat 5 or half diminished. 2 beats on that to this different A7, looks like a D chord, 5, 6, 5. So that's a long solo section. Let's take that real slow. So this is a chord, and then 8, 7, 8, then 5, 6, 5. Let's try that. 2, 3, and. Then when the solo's done, you're gonna go D minor, A7, 2 beats each. Do that twice, and then dum, dum, dum. So we have a D minor to an A7 to a D minor 7. So. Okay, and then we have a little pause. We're gonna shoot back to that star on the tab, the G minor 7. Same section there. Now the ending of the song, we're gonna have that D minor 9, A7, sus to A7. We got the walk down thing. They're gonna have G minor 9, C, G minor 7. So that was G minor 9, 2 beats to C to G minor 7, the 3s. D minor 7, A7. Now we have a little repeat of that solo section. D minor, E minor, half diminished to A7. Four times of that. And then your D minor, and it kind of keeps going, but you can kind of, we're going to call it a day right there. So Flor de Luna, that's the chords. That's a lot of great jazz chords. Once again, we got D minor 9, A7 sus, A7, D minor major 7, D minor 7, G minor 9, G minor 6, G minor, F sharp 7, C7 9, A minor 7, F major 7, E minor 7 flat 5, A7, C, G minor 7. All right, thanks a lot for watching Damon's Baritone Uke Joint. We'll talk to y'all soon.